So CanWeld represents a unique opportunity for Liburdi to network our technologies and services around the world. CanWeld show itself not only caters to people who are interested in technology, but also the services side of the business. And in the Winnipeg area, we have a lot of opportunity for new services as well as the welding equipment itself. Liburdi has welding systems that they can offer as equipment in that area, but we also offer services, and a lot of EPC contractors are there. The services side of the business will benefit from that, but also there is aerospace. So we have a specific offering for aerospace, which is conducive to that area and that market that we'll be presenting at the show. If you have a passion for welding and want to learn more, come see us at CanWeld in Winnipeg.